Right, today, we're going to do a lab so that we can gather data to get a graphical representation of motion in 4 different scenarios. Scenario number 1, we're going to start at a 0 mark on a tape, and we're going to walk in the positive direction. That's scenario number 1. Scenario number 2, we're going to start at a 0 mark, and we're going to walk in a negative direction. And we're always walking at a constant speed. Scenario number 3, we're going to start way over there at the far positive direction, and we're going to walk towards the 0, which means we're walking towards, or walking in the negative direction. And scenario number 4, we're going to start on the far negative end, and we're going to walk towards the 0, which means we're walking in the positive direction. So for each scenario, I'm going to walk twice. I'm going to walk 2 times. One time, I'm going to be walking at a moderately fast pace and dropping these items, which I call markers. And I'm going to drop those markers every 2 seconds. The second time, I'm going to walk at a slow pace. And again, I'm going to drop a mark every 2 seconds. I'm going to drop a total of 10 of these marks. So I'll be walking for 20 seconds. And those will end up being along the tape. And we will come back and record where those marks end up along the tape. So this is what it would look like.
Litter bug.
Okay, done. I just want to emphasize how the directions are going to work. So when I walk in this direction, that's going to be the positive direction. And then I'll come back here, walking in the negative direction. I'll hit 0, and I'm still walking in the negative direction, so my positions will now be negative. If I turn around and walk in the positive directions, these are negative positions until I get to 0. And I'm still walking in the positive direction, but now since I've crossed 0, my positions are positive.